Do you ever have one of those days where you need to just clean your desk? So I needed to just clean my desk, and it's in some sort of better shape than it was before. And look what I found under the pile. These are awesome scissors, so I can't wait to use those. And then I found these thick zippered pouches, and Shannon Green had just done a thing on what to put in these. So for this smaller one, I don't know, this is probably like 8 by, well, 7 by 10 or something. Anyway, this I put in my little bullet journal stencils. This one I'm putting in just scraps of more like painted paper scraps. And this one, it's huge. You probably can't see. Let me see if I can zoom out. Nope, can't zoom out. But this is bigger than 8 by 10. And I'm putting in all my magazine images that I'm cutting out for a glue book. So there's that. And then I did go shopping yesterday, and it was spur of the moment, and it's because my mother said, hey, I have the kids for an hour, you go do whatever you want to do. So I was like, oh, I never get to go shopping, so I'm gonna go shopping. So drinking my LaCroix. Okay, so first I went to Michael's and I got this, and I can't wait to use that. I think it was, let's see, it was $10.99, but then I had a 50% off, so I got it for $5.49. So that was great. And then I got some of the paper dolls of Tim Holtz and some of the botanicals of Tim Holtz. So that wasn't bad. That was a good little haul, right? I was good. But then I went somewhere else. Then I went to Daiso, because the Daiso had moved. Okay, I'll start getting things out. The Daiso had moved, and I didn't know where it was for like a year. And remember, I don't get out very much, at least to go shopping, because I have 2 little girls, and taking them into Daiso is not very much fun because they take everything down off the shelf and, Mommy, can I have this, and all that. So I didn't know where it went, and I was kind of not knowing on, so that I just could not go, and that was fine. But I found out where it was. So I got some washi, and this is so cute. It's like these little polar bears. Let's see if you can see it. These little polar bears, and everything was $1.50 at Daiso. And then this is 2 tapes, or 2 tapes. This is 1 tape here. Can't even see. This is 1 tape here, and this is 1 tape here. So a skinny pink, and then this printed one. And then I got 2 more polar bears. Aren't those cute? And then I got this washi, which is like Valentine's. You're my cup of tea. I should zoom out. You're my cup of tea. And then I got this one. It's like desserts. Paris best, and then lots of French that I can't read. But it's cute. And then that's what gets me every time. Okay, so then I got these, and these are coasters, felt coasters, and I'm gonna try to do something special. I saw these and I thought, okay, for $1.50, I'm gonna experiment with them and see if I can do a little experiment. And then I also got these little, they're called monkey-shaped message cards. Are those cute? And I got a kitty cat too. I wanted to open them and see exactly what they are. They're just little cards, but that is cute. Those will go in my junk journals. And then, oh, I got these. I don't know if they're sticky or not, but again, they're like little polar bears. And this one says, hello my old friends. sticky note pads. So that's what those are. And then I got this, and it's wax paper, but I think that that would be fun to play with. On the back it says you can make envelopes. So maybe I'll make some envelopes, maybe I'll wrap my food in it, I don't know. So that was my Daiso haul, and I spent $16.56. And I bought 10 items. So that's not bad. So let's put those back in the bag, put those over there. And then the last place I went to was Hmart, and I've never been in this place before, but I thought if I'm going to Daiso, let's try someplace new, or if I'm not going to Daiso, let's try someplace new. And they're the ones that told me where Daiso ended up. So I went here actually first. It's called Hmart. It's like an Asian grocery store with some other extra things. And there's a food mart. So if you like Asian food, you should go to one of these. So I got this stamp, which is like, you know, a date stamp, but it goes, I guess it would go the day, the month, the year. That's like the European way, and I think that's cool. I got this cute journal, and the reason I got this journal, let me zoom it out even more, is because on the back it says schedule, but on the back it had all these cute things I thought I could tear out and make some things. I don't know, I don't even know how much that was. It was not expensive. I got these envelopes. I think these were 65 cents, and I don't know how many are in here. And I got this little book, and it says, "Look at the wood. This tree has survived for many years." And you guys know my love of wood washi tape, and that just kind of reminded me of that. And the paper is like wood grain paper. So I just loved that. I don't even know if you can see it with the light, but that's all I got at Hmart. And I spent $8.02. So yeah, not expensive. So anyway, that was my little mini haul. And I know I said I wasn't going to buy anything in my last video, but oops, oh well. So thanks so much for watching. I love your comments. I'm still working on my journal. So I just wanted to, can you hear the kid crying? It's time for me to go. Okay, I'll see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.